Hello friend, I hope you all are fine.
From Insightex team, the Analytic Club of IMT Hyderabad. So today, in this video, we learn how to calculate the measure of central tendency, mean, median, mode, and the measure of dispersion, range, variance, standard deviation, skewness, etc. So today, in this video, we learn a short trick to calculate all this value. So you all can see I have taken some data. First, you have go to the data tab option and then select the data analysis option. In the data analysis option, you have to select the descriptive statistics option, then press OK. In the input range, you have to select your data. Like it can either group by column or in a row, so you can choose any one of the option. In the output option, it is given three options whether you want your data in this sheet, in the new worksheet, or in a new workbook. I select in this worksheet and then select the summary statistics option and then press OK. So you all can see we calculate the measure of central tendency and the measure of dispersion in less than a minute. So I hope you all understand and thank you for watching.